Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to check the video quality to 720 or higher. Today, I will show you how to embed a report designer in a Vue application. You can open an existing project, but in this video, I will create a new Vue application. Create a new project using the npm command. Go to the project folder and install the Stimulsoft Dashboards.js Vue.js package. Add a new component, for example, MyDesigner. Import the designer from the Stimulsoft package. Put the designer in the template section. In the app view file, import the MyDesigner component and put it in the template section. Run the project. The report designer will now be embedded in the Vue application. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.